Today I would like to teach you how to crochet this beautiful washcloth that is made with MOSAIC crochet, although it does look like it was the waffle stitch. MOSAIC crochet is also known as the overlay crochet. In the back you can see only stripes, and in the front you have a 3D effect with the MOSAIC crochet technique. Using two different colors, one in solid as well as one in print, will allow you to create this beautiful stained glass effect. Premier Yarns sent me this yarn and it's called Cotton Fair. I have it in bulky print as well as just bulky, which is a solid color. I'm going to use the green with this print together in order to make the stained glass washcloth for this video tutorial. I will also be using a 6mm J Furls crochet hook. This is a metal streamline hook. There's a link down below in the description if you want to check it out. It's an incredible, beautiful hook, great for ergonomic crocheting. So let's get started. Start with a chain of 3 plus 1 plus 1. Start from the second chain from the hook and crochet 1 single crochet in each chain all the way till the end. For the very last stitch, don't finish up your stitch as you're going to change your colors at this stage. Insert your new color and yarn over and pull through. Adjust your yarn a little bit so that you're ready to go. Turning your project, you're going to chain 1 and you're going to skip your very first stitch, so completely ignore it. Now insert your hook into the next stitch and crochet 1 single crochet. And you do the same for the following stitch. Now for the next stitch, you're going to skip that stitch and chain 1. Now you're going to repeat that. So after the skip stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, chain 1 and skip 1. Repeat that till the end until you have 1 stitch left. You're going to stop at this point. Skipping that very last stitch, you're going to turn. And now you're going to crochet a single crochet on top of each single crochet and a chain on top of each chain. So that means you're repeating that row. So 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and a chain of 1. By the way, I skipped the chain of 1 at the beginning of the row because it makes it less bulky. And then repeat. So 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, skip the chain, make a chain, and then repeat. Once you finish the row, it's going to look like this. Now at the very last stitch, again, you're going to change colors. So yarn over and pull through. You now need to kind of find where that stitch was that you had skipped. It is right here, right below the chain that you made when you first connected your new yarn. You're now going to crochet 1 double crochet into that stitch with a new color, the green. Now you turn your project. That is the very first stitch of that row actually, even though it may not look like it. You're now going to single crochet into the next stitch and single crochet in the following stitch. And where you see your chains, you're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the green stitch that you had skipped 3 rows below. So that would be right here. Go through both loops or 1 loop, it's up to you. I'm going to go through both and I'm going to crochet my double crochet right on top. I'm going to skip the stitch behind it, so ignore these stitches, which means the chains that you had made, ignore them. And then again, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and a double crochet 3 rows below, completely ignoring the chains that were made with the print color. Now you're going to repeat that all the way till the end. And at the very end, you're going to crochet 1 double crochet down 3 rows. That is the last stitch that you had skipped previously. You're now done with that row. You're going to turn and you're now going to slip stitch in each stitch all the way through. Keep the slip stitches loose because you're going to insert your hook in the next stitch into those slip stitches. You're going to stop 2 stitches before the end. So this is the last stitch right here, which is that double crochet you made. And then you have one more stitch right here. That is where you're going to change colors. So kind of move the green to the side and pull the colorful yarn through. Remember, that's still one more slip stitch. And ignore that double crochet right here. You're going to use that double crochet in 3 rows. We're going to crochet a double crochet on top of this double crochet. So now turn your project, and now you're going to repeat what you did previously. That means you're going to repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now you're doing again 2 single crochets, chain 1 and skip 1, and repeat all the way to the end, skipping the very last double crochet right here. Then turn and repeat single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, all the way till the end, and skip and change your color to the green. Then you're going to do your double crochet on top of that double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, 3 rows down, single crochet, double crochet down, and so forth. And then you're doing the slip stitch row again. Repeat that until you have 8 sections. Once you're finished, you're going to crochet 1 single crochet around all the way around, having 2 single crochets in the corner, and at the very last corner you're going to add 1 chain. It does not matter how long it is. I made a chain of 10 and then reconnected it, slip stitched it, and woven my ends. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification next time I publish a new video or go live. I'll see you then. Bye!